Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to add a new card of debit or credit, a new payment method in your Amazon account. So the first step is go to your account of Amazon in the principal page of Amazon, and you go to the superior card in the superior right corner. You need to go to the option of account and list, and you need to put here in this option, and you go to the option of your payment. So in this part, you need to be here, and you can add your payment method instantly. Where and here I got my account, my card, but you can pick here, and after that you need to select your option. For example, I choose this. This is add a card like a Visa or like a Mastercard. You pick here, and the only thing you need to do to finish this process is pick here and put the information of your new card. And after that, you need to put a new information of like your location, your direction. After that, you confirm the option, and automatically your new debit or credit card uh, saved in your Amazon account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.